I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop her ass, chop it down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk him down, make him run that.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is RACEWORZ on Raceway 2025, and you know, we're outside, we're doing our thing. I'm doing something a little bit interesting, a little bit unique today. Of course, y'all have seen me drift before. Of course, I could drift it up. RACEWORZ is big. Goddamn, cuz, look at the 6 Series. Holy shit. Shit like that I see is fire. God damn, bro. Wow. Today, I'm doing a little bit of drifting. What up, bud? Look at Gene. It's gonna be a busy weekend. But anyway, I'm doing some camera car duties. They're gonna be on the track real quick. I'm gonna see y'all here in a second. We're gonna strap up, we're gonna put the helmet on, and we're gonna be out. I'll be right back. All right, so we're setting up the meteor rig on the front of the car. And bringing this camera down. We're gonna go do some test runs on the situation, and then we'll see how this works out. We'll be doing a different kind of tandem. Gonna do a different kind of tandem with the homies today, and should be interesting. home. Yeah, you just have to stay flat out. That was good. Motorcycles. Didn't he have tribal livery?
He just redid his car.
Okay. All right, I think we've seen what we needed to see today. Let's go ahead and beast up out of here. Race Wars is kind of a Race Wars thing. It's got its own kind of flow, its own kind of environment per se. But tomorrow's drift competition, I gotta be here to judge that. And maybe I'll drive again tomorrow, maybe not. Maybe we come up on the bikes. Maybe that. So
Bikes will be the best stuff.
yeah, there's a little too many people out here. And the way that they have the track laid out, you got to drive through the dirt, and there's some camera angles I wanted to get. You got dirt flying up on the camera and the mic, shit like that. And I don't really want to tear up these cameras. I do have like an outside camera per se for that kind of rugged stuff. I don't want to use that camera for that, because there's literally mud flying up because they're dousing down the dirt so that you could drive through it without kicking up dust to keep the dust down. But it makes the cars kind of nasty. And we're gonna head home. We haven't seen Mommy and Nicole. They were asleep. Well, Mommy wasn't. Mommy was up. But yeah. And we also haven't ate yet.
No, we haven't. We don't eat.
We don't eat.
This is pure fumes.
Yeah, so whatever you ate the day before, what is it, 2 o'clock? 2 or 3, it's something, it's 2. But whatever you ate the day before is all the fuel that you got when we do track days, because we get it moving and grooving, then we get done, then we go eat after. So, your home's to Bel Air.